Good afternoon. My name is David Moore, and today we are going to discuss how social media can accelerate the international business startups from the very beginning. So, the following presentation will provide investors with the knowledge to launch and grow a global business with four recommendations that may save them time, money, and increase the size of their addressable markets. Social media is often the most affordable and easiest marketing avenue to obtain. So some of the core theories that will be used in this presentation are going to be to leverage the social media networks when international users seek to solve problems. Um, so basically what this means is entrepreneurs should access social media networks where large numbers of international experts seek to solve problems. Um, they should use their tacit knowledge to help solve these problems. And social network communications that form on discussing a proposed issues offers many opportunities for potential clients. Um, Next is to establish credibility. Um, there's many ways you can establish credibility. You can be a good community member, leverage some of your existing experts, and demonstrate, as I was just saying, demonstrate expertise as well. Um, Next would be to focus on creating and capturing value early on. Um, so with this, it's entrepreneurs need to remain focused very early in their creation of their small business. Um, it is very easy to squander resources when the views of the entrepreneur and the interactions with users of social media networks are kind of the end in itself instead of a means to an end. And finally, to categorize users, their value to the startup and their problems. So to ensure that a startup's limited resources are spent effectively, an entrepreneur can categorize users of social media networks as well as their values and problems. Research questions. So the main issue that this presentation is trying to acknowledge is to help guide entrepreneurs who wish to use social media networks to accelerate the internationalization of their technology startups from inception. Research and methodology and design used. So tech knowledge is knowledge that cannot be easily transferred from one person to another, either written or verbally. Tech knowledge is something that maybe has to be shown. And then social media. Social media is websites and applications that allow users to have access to and share within a network. So how do these tie together? Membership in a social media community made up of professional international users offers the entrepreneur the means to interact with potential customers, partners, and other stakeholders at little or no cost. Entrepreneurs demonstrate their tacit knowledge directly to community members through the contributions they make to the community. These contributions include solutions to pervasive problems, tools, or specialized services. Analysis and recommendations. Choose the right social networks for the country. Find out what people like and localize the content, and then interact with the individuals. So you can find out what people like by using apps like Hootsuite. Hootsuite allows you to view your most popular social media posts. You can localize content by attending local events, showing support to the local teams in the area, and then engage with other local businesses. And then you can interact just by interacting with your followers on your page. Social media can be used in the furthest reaches of the world. It has made It is up to the entrepreneur to determine where he or she would like their content to reach. Social media has made it possible to market content on a much larger platform that reaches individuals that these products or services may or may not have ever had the possibility to reach before. In conclusion, a successful international marketing plan should contain a social media plan that describes the four requirements laid out in this presentation.